guys, it's Mrs. Wright, and I'm here to continue our conversation on probability. So you can see I've laid out the Settler of Catan board. This is a game that my family actually enjoys playing, my son and daughter and husband particularly. But in the game, I don't know if you're familiar with it, there are a set of die for you to roll. You have different opportunities to either get lumber or grain, brick, sheep, or ore. And the number on your die, the amount that you roll, corresponds with what you can get. So today I'm after sheep. And I want to know what is the probability that I can roll the die so that I can get some sheep. So when I roll the die, what I want is I want a 9, a 10, or a 12. So the first thing I need to think of is in answering what is the probability, how many combinations can I make to get 9, to get 10, and to get 12? So when we're making 9, 3 and 6 and 4 and 5 make 9, but I'm dealing with 2 dice, so 5 and 4 and 6 and 3. To get 10, our combinations are 4 and 6, 5 and 5, 5 and 5, and 6 and 4. To get 12, it's 6 and 6, and of course 6 and 6. So to find the probability for me to get 9, 10, or 12, I need to first know the possible outcome that I could get, or the likelihood or the possible to get the event that I want, my desired event. So as you can see, we have 4, 4, and 2, so I have 10 possible ways to get a desirable event. Then we need to figure out of how many outcomes. Well, I have 2 die, and they each have 6 sides. So if you recall from last week, what we learned was we need to multiply 6 times 6, which of course equals 36. So I have 36 possible outcomes. 10 desirable outcomes, 36 possible outcomes. Now I want to keep that, to reduce it into simplest forms. So 10 and 36 are both even numbers. 2 goes into 10 5 times, and 2 goes into 36 18 times. So we have a possibility of me rolling a 9, a 10, or a 12, 5/18 is my possibility. And if you turn that into a fraction, you're pretty close to 20%. Well, thank you. We hope you guys have a great weekend, and we look forward to seeing you next week.